Okay. Said a lot of stuff. My microphone was off, so there you go. All right, let's get started. Good thing we're just about to do that. So we're at docket 490 WR 102, the application of the Village of Birchwood for authority to adjust water rates. My name is Michael Newmark, Administrative Law Judge for the PSC. We're connected through Zoom with the parties, the party and the applicant, commission staff in attendance, and we are also holding the hearing open for members of the public. We gave the connection information in our notice of hearing, and it was also posted with the customer notice that the utility issued. So what we're doing here today is creating the record of the case. That's the documents we identify and verify under oath as exhibits, as well as the live recording, the live stream and the recording of that. And comments we receive from the utility and commission staff live. Also, any comments we receive from members of the public who join us before we adjourn. We're also accepting written comments from the public. Those are due Wednesday, August 21st. And those can be filed by US mail or through the commission's IRF system using the link that's been provided in the notice of hearing. So I didn't check what the number of, if we have any comments currently, but we can look up what staff has seen so far, and no public comments filed by last Friday. But like I said, if we get any comments we get by the time of the deadline, I will receive into the record. So what we do with the record is we provide it to the decision maker in the case. And here it's Andy Galvin, the division administrator for the Division of Utility Regulation and Analysis. So once Administrator Galvin reviews the record and makes a decision, then a written order will be issued and it'll be posted to the commission's website and emailed to the utility. That's our basic process. And what we do at this point is get the utility documents verified and entered into the record. So we have 5 documents listed here on an email presented by Alex Hanna of commission staff, indicating 5 utility exhibits. First one's the customer notice, and the remaining exhibits are more the technical documents related to the application. So we can split those up in terms of verification, or we can do them all together depending on how that plays out with the people participating. So I'll ask the first question here, who on behalf of the utility is qualified to verify the customer notice? We'll take that first.
Judge Newmark, I'll take the utility exhibits 2 through 5. If Ashley, I don't know if you're able to unmute and take the customer notices. You guys were the ones who physically posted it. I feel that would be appropriate.
I think you're unmuted now. So.
Hey, Brian. Yes, we do have an affidavit that verifies that.
Oh, is there an affidavit with that? I didn't notice that.
We do an internal affidavit for all of our public postings, and then we also do affidavits anytime we post with the chronotype.
I didn't see it on the list here, so why don't we just quickly have you verify it while you're here. So let me ask you to raise your right hand. And do you swear or affirm, tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
I do.
All right, just give us your name and title, please.
Ashley Bethel, Municipal Clerk Treasurer.
All right. So I see that the utility filed the customer notice and posting information. Are you familiar with that document?
I am.
Is it complete and correct to the best of your knowledge?
Yes.
All right, that's it. So did you have any comments you'd like to add about the case?
Not at this time.
No? All right, that's fine. So move on to the other documents. Brian Raymer, the utility consultant, will take those. So I'll swear you in. Raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
I do.
All right. So you see the remaining documents on the list 2 through 5?
I do.
You do? Okay. Are they complete and correct to the best of your knowledge?
Yes, they are.
All right. And do you have comments?
I do not have any additional comments at this time.
All right. That's fine. Anyone else connected with the utility wish to make a comment? No, that's fine. No worries. So we'll move on to commission staff, and we'll start with the revenue requirement with Troy Gaza. Raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm, tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
I do.
All right, you're familiar with the revenue requirement exhibit?
Yes, I am.
Is it complete and correct to the best of your knowledge?
Yes, it is.
Any comments?
No comments at this time.
All right. And we'll move on to cost, service, study, and rate design with Alex Hanna. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
I do.
Can you confirm that the cost, service, study, and rate design exhibit is complete and correct to the best of your knowledge?
Yes, it is.
Any comments?
I have no comments at this time.
All right. So I'm looking at our participant list. No one new has joined us since we began, so no members of the public to take comments from. But like I mentioned, and I can put the notice back up. Notice back up here. So we do have the comment period open until Wednesday, so we'll look forward to getting any comments. By that date, we'll put them in the record. I'm just gonna stop the screen share now, but otherwise, that's all we came here to do. So does anyone have anything else they need to address before we adjourn? Nothing? All right. Well, thanks very much, everyone. We're adjourned and take care.